Always a little lower. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a little bit of filled in. And I love that. If I feel like I'm in the mood, I would be done right now. But if I feel like a little more of a look, I don't even put on mascara. I might take this pointed shader. This is a Sigma E45 tapered blending. That's what it's called, not pointed shader. Well, that's what it is, it's pointed shader. And I will add in a little crease darkening contour. Just a little. And kind of focus on that outer V. But if you do this, again, you have to do blending. So I don't have a blending brush handy. Well, yes, I do. I've got them all behind me. What am I talking about? But you can shape with this, but you don't blend with this. You can, but it's not going to be the same as if you take a different blending brush and just kind of blend out. See how there's kind of a line, and the more I do it, it emphasizes the line. That's because you're using that same brush you just did that with. Also, if you really want to, you can use a crayon liner in your brow just to reinforce again. I don't usually do both of these, but you can. There you go. See how that just makes it very pronounced. Or if you have a fill-in, I've got to find this color, y'all. This is Almay Intense Eye Color in color number 004 Black Raisin. And it's just got a purple toned brown, dark brown to it. And I will tell you, I think I will go ahead and use this purple color, and I'll show you where I use it. Right in the transition area, right there. I know, you're like, why did you even do the contour there? I don't always do this. But look how just, you can't really figure out what it is, but there's something a little more interesting in this eye than this eye. What is it? There's some purple added. Very light. Again, just right there at the transition area. Just adding in a little purple color. And then I'm using the other side to kind of blend that out. Matter of fact, that's what I'll do. I'll just blend with that other side. Yeah, that'll be my blending. And there we go. Isn't that fun? So that's a nice fun look. And people will be like, oh my gosh, you go to so much trouble. Y'all, this is fun to me. This is fun, fun, fun. Okay, so now that I've blended, I'm going to use the sides of my hands and the front just to kind of blend any line away there. Let me wipe that off on my towel now, because I've got makeup on my hands. There we go. And I'm going to use some liner. And because I use liner, I don't need mascara. For one thing, on video, you just can't see the detail of mascara. But I still want that look of lashes. So do a wing. Nothing's better than a wing liner. And keep it right up against the lashes. Literally rest it on the base of your lash and draw a little dash. And go in front of that dash and come back to that dash. In front of that dash. And you can go all the way in or not. But look how that, it kind of looks like I have mascara on. I don't really need any more. I think mascara is a must-have in person. I really do. That's just how I personally feel. But on video, you can't really see individual lashes. Not for Zoom calls and Blue Jean calls and stuff like that. If I was even going to go out to the grocery store, which is very rare right now. Again, if I have to, I do it early in the morning. So did I get it good? Make sure it comes together. Connect that little triangle down there. I think this is great. And I believe that's all I do. Oh, also, I do always use a little spoolie brush and spool through my brows so they don't look so drawn on. I go up and kind of the opposite direction like that. Just so you can actually see the hairs. And then on the end, I just swish down. And see how that kind of destroys a little of the color and the line, which makes them look a little less drawn on. If I wanted to, let's just say I did. I'm going to use just a little bit of this shiny color right in the middle. You don't have to. That's a very dressy look to be at home, but who cares? You can do what you want. See the difference? Just a little shinier. Just a little point of interest. And honestly, just for you. I don't really do this for other people. I do this because I really enjoy makeup. I really do. I mean, it's very artistic and pretty. And then when my husband comes on, he goes, babe, you look so pretty. And then he'll always say, but you look pretty without makeup. He's so sweet. Anyway, I have no idea how many this will end up being. I always do throw on a pair of earrings. I usually have on these studs because I've got 2 holes. And then I'll add a pair of earrings that just kind of goes with whatever shirt I've got on. And, you know, if I'm in gold jewelry, I usually already have